Here are some jumbled shapes. Now Mubashira will unjumble these shapes. Start, Mubashira. What is that, Mubashira?
Triangle.
What is the color of triangle?
Brown.
Very good. Next. What is that, Mubashira?
Circle.
What is the color of circle?
Black.
Black. Next. Very good. What is that, Mubashira? Say loudly. Say loudly. जोर से बोलो. What is that? क्या है वो? हाँ. What is the color of rectangle?
Blue.
Next. Do it fast. What is that? What is that? Square. What is the color of square? Yellow. Now, where is triangle? Where is square? Where is rectangle? Where is circle? Where is yellow color? Brown color?
Rectangle.
Rectangle? Is it rectangle?
Triangle.
Very good. Where is black color?
Circle.
Blue color?
Rectangle.
Very good.